If Grammarly keeps flagging a word that you know is correct, the fastest fix is to add it to your personal dictionary. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add words to Grammarly Personal Dictionary so Grammarly stops marking them as mistakes in the future. This is a super useful trick if you use names, brand terms, special spellings, product names, or industry-specific words that Grammarly doesn't recognize yet. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your Grammarly account. You can use the account you already use for writing documents, emails, or browser editing. After you're logged in, look at the top area of the page and click your profile icon or open the account menu if that's where your settings appear. Now inside your account settings, look for the writing section. This is where Grammarly stores your writing preferences, language settings, and dictionary options. Click Writing to open the writing-related settings. From there, find and select your dictionary. This is the personal word list where you can save words Grammarly should remember and ignore. Once you're in your dictionary, you'll see an option to add a new word. Click into the word field and type the exact word you want Grammarly to stop flagging. Make sure you type it correctly, including any special capitalization if needed. For example, if it's a product name, a company name, or a unique spelling, enter it exactly the way you want it to appear in your writing. After typing the word, click Add. Grammarly will save it to your personal dictionary right away. From this point on, that word should no longer be highlighted as a spelling error in your Grammarly checks. This is especially helpful if you constantly see the same false positive and want to save time correcting it over and over again. If you have more words to add, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just go back to your dictionary, enter the next word, and click Add again. You can build out a custom list of names, technical terms, abbreviations, and brand words so Grammarly better fits your writing style. A quick tip here, if you're adding several words, take a moment to double check the spelling before you click Add. That way you won't have to remove and re-enter anything later. It's also a good idea to only add words you actually use so your dictionary stays clean and useful. And that's it. You've now learned how to add words to Grammarly Personal Dictionary. This simple setting can make a big difference if Grammarly is constantly correcting words that are actually correct for your work or personal writing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.